Welcome. If you've ever missed an important request to join notification because your phone didn't vibrate, this video will help you fix that for good. Today, I'll walk you through the simple, updated steps to enable vibration for these notifications specifically in Gmail. Let's dive right in. First, unlock your phone and find your Settings app. This is usually represented with a gear icon. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Apps. Tap on it to view a list of all your installed applications. Next, look for Gmail in the list of apps. You can either scroll down or use the search bar at the top to find Gmail faster. Once you've found it, tap on Gmail to open the app-specific settings. Inside the Gmail settings, you'll see several options. Tap on the one that says Notifications. This will open up all the different types of notifications that Gmail can send to your phone. Now, to ensure you're customizing the right notification category, tap on Notification Categories within the Gmail notification menu. With recent updates, Gmail has separated notifications into different categories, making it easier to control exactly which notifications you want to get your attention. Look for the notification category labeled Request to Join. This is the section dedicated to those notifications that let you know someone wants to join a meeting, event, or conversation through Gmail. Once you tap on Request to Join, you'll see an option to toggle vibrations on or off. Simply switch this toggle to on, and you're all set. Now, whenever there's a new request to join, your phone will vibrate, making sure you never miss out on important invitations or meetings. That's all you need to do. With these quick steps, you've ensured that your request to join Gmail notifications are impossible to miss. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to let us know and check out our other tutorials for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.